This is why I love Pinterest. It's a very simple and friendly platform to use. They have over 500 million users. It's a search engine platform, not a social media. You don't even need 20 minutes of your day to create a lot of pins. Your pins pretty much last forever. And the best one, you can make money with it. Really good money. I mean, isn't Pinterest lovely? And that's why in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money with Pinterest using an objective and straightforward affiliate marketing strategy that honestly can be executed even with your smartphone. And better, there is no need to spend money on anything, really. By the end of this video, you learn how to make money with Pinterest without investing any money, without leaving your house, without being a boring seller, without bothering people, and with the ability of growing your online business only using Pinterest. So let's get right into it. The first step you need to do is join Pinterest.com, and then you're gonna click here and sign up. Then you just need to fill out your information and complete the process. It's very simple. Now for the second step, you need to find the niche you're gonna work in. It's important to mention that Pinterest users are 70% women, so I'd really advise you to focus on niches like fashion, beauty, makeup, home decor, travel, parenting, health and fitness, and other niches that women like. And don't worry too much about it, you can change it all later if you want. For now, it's important to focus on one niche or a group of similar niches, just like beauty and makeup, cosmetics, and skincare, for example. Now for the next step, you need to find affiliate programs in the niche you just chose. And to complete this task, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. I'm gonna type the prompt affiliate programs in the X niche, and you're gonna switch next for the niche you just chose. For example, I'm gonna type beauty and makeup, and boom, ChatGPT just found out 10 affiliate programs in the beauty and makeup niche. Now it's important that you affiliate yourself for at least 5 of these programs. It won't take more than 20 minutes. You're gonna use these programs to make money with them, but don't worry, I'm gonna teach you everything in this video. Now to give you an example, let's suppose you join Amazon to be their associate, and then you want to promote this product that costs $300. So I'm gonna type $300 in here, and in this makeup category, let's say Amazon pays you 10% for every sale you make. So if the product costs $300, you're gonna earn around $30 for every sale you make. So imagine making 50 or 100 sales just like this one per month. That's very possible after creating high ranking pins on Pinterest. Now before proceeding to post the actual pins to your account, you need to optimize your account, do the SEO part, so your content and your account can be discovered more easily. First thing you need to do is go to your account settings and click right here in account management. And then you should click in this grayish button right here to convert your account to a business account. This is a very important step so you can access all the tools that are gonna help you along your journey, just like the analytics and ads, for example. The second thing you need to do is add a profile picture and a banner. These two need to match the same niche you're gonna post about in your feed, okay? And for this task, you can use Canva, for example. They already have a lot of templates you can use for free. And in case you wanna show up for the profile picture, you can use a photo of yours. And to complete the SEO part, you need to create an optimized description. So like I told you, users can find your content more easily. And to do this is a very simple process. We're gonna use ChatGPT again. You can type the prompt, create an SEO optimized description for my Pinterest account in the X niche. X being your actual niche. I'm gonna use beauty and makeup again. And boom, ChatGPT is gonna give you a ready to use description for your Pinterest account. You can just paste it in here and change the small things you want to change, just like adding your name or a few hashtags. Now for the next step, you need to learn how to create the right pins, so you can attract viewers, and the more viewers you attract, more chances of selling something you will have. And there are actually a lot of tools you can use to create pins, but for this task, I do recommend you use Canva.com. On Canva, you can find a bunch of free ready templates to use, as well as creating pins from scratch with the perfect ratio to use on Pinterest. Most Pinterest users use Canva.com. It's mostly free, easy to use, very dynamic, and this is not a sponsored video, I just want to help you out. Some pins I recommend you post are: first, aesthetic pins. Pinterest is a visual platform, so pins that have clear beauty and harmony always attract clicks. You can also create product bundles. That's an easy way to put together products that combine with each other and offer them to your audience. Women love fashion and cosmetic bundles, for example. You could also post infographics. Infographics are great for sharing tips, facts, and statistics. And last but not least, videos are a powerful weapon on Pinterest. You can promote brand product videos just like this one, and this one right here. You can even use evergreen content from Pixabay, for example, so you can create original videos. Or you could, for example, repurpose TikTok videos just like this one. I would just recommend that you give credit to the creators and use Snapchick to remove the TikTok watermark. And now that I just got here to the last step, this is where you're gonna start making money. You're gonna post your first pin to Pinterest. First thing you need to do is click here in create, and like I mentioned, you can do all of this with only your smartphone. But I'm gonna click here and choose a file. I chose this product bundle for example. Then you're gonna add a title and a description, and to do this you can use ChatGPT as well. For this example I'm gonna use here Pin and Bake Cosmetics, but make sure to make a research. I'm gonna go ask ChatGPT to make a description for me. Create a description for a cosmetic bundle to post on Pinterest. Then I'm gonna copy the description you just gave me. I'm gonna post in here, and this is the most important part. Here you're gonna add your affiliate link. Since I'm promoting this bundle right here, I'm gonna need to add my affiliate link related to this bundle. In this case, I found this cosmetic bundle on Amazon, so I'm gonna use my Amazon affiliate link. Then I'm gonna create a board, for example, cosmetic bundles, and then I'm gonna use the best tags related to cosmetics. And again, I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to give me the best cosmetic tags to use on Pinterest. And then I've just added the best cosmetic tags in my opinion, and now I just need to click here in publish. The more you post on Pinterest, ideally pins with quality, the more chances of selling as an affiliate you get. But ideally posting from 5 to 15 pins per day is a great number. It all gonna depend on how much time you have. Any further questions you have about this topic, you can check all the links in the description. You can reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you with everything I know. Don't forget to click in the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new upcoming videos about Pinterest and affiliate marketing. As always, much love and I see you soon.